What is going on? Ryan Troy back here with another video for you today, and in this video I want to go over this cape backdrop. Now I'm kind of new to using cape backdrops. I just started like the end of last year around holiday season, and my main reason is I kind of suck at building sets. So to me, the best thing about cape backdrops, and probably not this one in particular because it's such a basic textured backdrop, is a lot of them have sets already, so you really don't have to do that much to get like this amazing background. Now for this, I really like the texture, but on the site it looked a little bit darker. So one thing that I did do is I brought this wood panel floor in just to help a little bit and throw everything on. And of course I went with my infamous 2 lighting setup for this shoot. And what I wanted to do with this is make sure that I kept the most light off of the backdrop. That was the most important thing for me. So here are the models, and then we're just gonna get in the shoot.
Hi everyone, my name is Mariama. I am a fashion model here in Columbus. My Instagram is MV as in Victor, RIAMA. Follow me on Instagram, like, follow, subscribe. Thanks, bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Kothrasher. I am a fashion model. My Instagram is at Kothrasher, Kothar as a KAWTHAR .ASHUR. Thank you.
So I'm not gonna have you so close to it. I actually want you like closer up toward like right about there, and then come this way a little bit. Actually stay right there. No, yeah, okay. Let me set this up. I'm gonna test. I'm gonna let you know when we're going, all right? Can we start with the chair? Okay. I'm gonna place this right, 1 second.
Excuse me for my pants.
I love that. That looks good. All right, 1 second. Let me just adjust this.
Right here, I'm trying to make sure I get as much light off the background as possible. This is the AD 400 Pro and the AD 600 Pro.
All right. Nice. Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
Now, usually the big umbrella I have, the 7-foot umbrella, wouldn't be ideal for this because I can't really control the light.
Move it back a little bit, only because now your foot is like out of the, yeah. Is it going, okay, there you go. Yeah, that's even fine. Just as long as the foot stays on the wood.
Definitely probably would want something with a grid on it, but it just gives you this nice soft light. So I usually always use it in the studio.
Let me show you how it's looking, okay?
Ooh, snap.
Now, as you can tell, I edited a little bit different because I really wanted that background to pop. And then I also didn't get as much light on it to let me get that look.
So I don't have to move around. Can you show me how to zoom in?
Yeah, so right here, this part of the lens,
So like you going?
you turn it.
Okay.
Is that better?
Yeah, wait now, yeah.
All right, cool. I'm probably in your way. Hold on, let me see how that looks. All right, I'm gonna jump over this way. Yeah, now you fine. So, in order for this out front, but you can do it if you move the chair that way more. Now, if you move the chair, yeah, to the, yeah, now you're in front.
I really think everybody should invest in a big umbrella like this. I'm telling you, it gives you the most soft light possible.
Do you want to fix your...
Oh, you good. Turn yourself a little bit towards me more. Yeah. And then let me just turn this off and put it like this. Yeah. Let's get the composition right first. All right, so how you want, no, you coming here, right?
So for this, I end up doing group shots with them. Keep in mind, if you're doing group shots, keep your aperture up. I was shooting at about f8 for all of these photos right here.
Okay. Let me see. Can you move a little bit closer to her? No, you fine. A little bit closer to, yeah, like that, yep. All right, I'm gonna test light. I'm gonna let you know when we're going, okay? All right, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Okay, cool, let's go. I love it.
And excuse all of the rambling that you hear in the video from upstairs.
I want to get one kind of sort of with, yeah, just your faces in it. Does that hurt? You sure? No, she was like bending. I was like, you don't need a chair or anything? Yeah, try to, share it a little bit. And let's get you a little, yeah, just like that, perfect. Yeah, this is nice. Can I get that? Like, you look that way? Yeah, y'all both look that way. Yeah, just like that, hold up. And with your, stay the same. Put your hands like together on your, yep, just like that. Perfect. I like that. Can y'all twist?
So there you have it. I just wanted to do, like I said, a quick little video on set, but I really want to explain this photo. Now in this photo, what I decided to do was, if you watch my Lightroom tutorial on how I showed you how to edit the background to achieve whatever you wanted, I felt like changing the colors of the background really made her outfit kind of pop, or vice versa. Maybe it made the background pop. But this is a simple fix or a simple tweak that you could do in Lightroom. I will pin the video at the top right here so you can see exactly, what it is that I did basically to show you. On that video, it kind of showed you with a plain background, but the same thing is in effect. So you just go, you change the hue, the saturation, and you just play with it until you get the exact look that you need. Now, as far as what I did to prep the backdrop, all I did was, as soon as I got it, I went ahead on and I steamed it. And this was real tall, so sometimes you got to kind of pick it up just to get the bottom parts. And then after that, what I did was I just rolled it up. Because I had to bring it all the way to the studio. So, I rolled it all the way up to make sure I kept it as straight as possible. I definitely didn't want to get any more wrinkles in it. And it did a pretty good job, to be honest. It was minimal wrinkles. And if they were there, I couldn't tell. You may see some, I don't even want to call them creases, but it was because we didn't pull it tight enough to like stretch it. But there you go, man. To the next video. Peace.